Hi guys, make a squishy with me, a balloon squishy. I made this one. It's pretty good. I made this one. Pretty good. I'm gonna make this one. Also pretty good. I'm making another crunchy. How about that? And it's gonna be really good. And like I am putting rocks. All this I'm using is from Dollar Tree. And I'm so excited. It's gonna be really good. I'm just putting rocks in this putty. I'm just gonna like. I need to post on TikTok. I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm gonna post like a dance video. I don't know what to post to. Y'all try to find my TikTok. And no, it doesn't have my name in it. So
she's in line for ice cream, but when she gets out, surprise time. By the way, we filmed this video on Father's Day, but
let's just say it has gymnastics. So go follow me on TikTok, search up gymnastics, and it's like a pink, it's purple with an M in the middle of it. That's what my thing looks like. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Yeah. Yo, this is, it's good, but it's not crunchy. Like, this is not a good idea, but guys.
Whenever we come to SeaWorld, we always say we're going to do a bunch of stuff, and then we never get it done. So today we're going to do it all one day. Letter A is angel, or snow angel. You don't have to do it, but it'll be cool. Ready?
Okay, let me like make like a bowl. I'm just gonna kind of pour it. Oh my gosh, I don't have much time. I have 30 seconds, okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the balloon and tie it. Oh my gosh, I have 10 seconds. I'm gonna do it and then I'm gonna tell the final for you. Okay.